Oh no. I think you got extra or something, I don't know. It was the one star, I really have stuff with Americans, I'm not American. It's just a habit for me to do on camera and stuff, but yeah. Oh! Now I can change that, oh wow, okay. That's really pretty. I think they look cute. I'm just gonna go with these. I have a calculator with me just in case I need to do some calculations. I do that a lot when I'm happy, to make sure that I'm not spending over a budget. Okay, so, I might disagree to someone. Yes, she's probably say yes, sorry. Because I know some people don't really want other people's, money on stickers or whatever. Lyrics. People don't like to have people send me stuff. I do not make any sense when I am, speaking. That's why I normally type on the keyboard. So, but yeah, I'll probably just create anyway. Oh, it's just for guys. There's pretty many new reply. I say a lot when I'm recording my voice. Oh, okay. Oh. Alright, I'm not saying I haven't really been awake that long. And of course, degree, I always use this what see? I don't know why. But yeah, yeah, so it'll be more great when it came from where that came from. So, if you want one, I'm going to give it away. To give people, so comment down below. And yeah, however, this is not the end of the video. And it's just going to see if I can get to TikTok, as bad as that sounds. Oh, the cat's over there. You can see her. We make a slimy section. Let's get to this one. When I type in, I don't really talk, because I want to know what I'm saying exactly. Maybe I'll tank tops. I'm not find it. I have not found it currently. I'm still looking. I don't think I'll have enough, so let me just get my calculator, okay? I didn't know that I can afford it. But yeah. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I cannot afford it, sadly. I haven't found my wish list. No. I don't really make one. I am really doing anything now with every computer because I'm not used to recording stuff like this. But I am bored, so I just entertain my own saying, if you know what I mean. So shall we go shopping? Notifications. Instagram notifications, to be exact. I will post a video when I do actual recipe stuff. So I kind of started, I'm not 100% sure what the hell I'm going to buy. But I'm just going to buy enough, I guess. Because I have nothing else to do. I'm a little bit at her, however, but I do not enjoy my items, and most of it's for the drawing, most of it, some of it. So they need pages like Instagram due to my DMs. Ew, the hair, why is that popular? Ew. And accessories? Yeah, this is so popular again, what? modify that to make it a future. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye-bye.